Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the street. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. We're back here live at it again. Trading at Nascraq every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you guys are doing well. Pandas! TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. We are here. Last day of the week. And I'll tell you what a wild week it has been. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bear bars in a row. And big bear bars. Look at this bear bar. That is, wow. We haven't seen a day like this since I guess last month. About 1 month ago, we saw a day as bearish as this. Even more bearish. Actually, crazy bearish. I'm curious. I forget what this was. This is quite a strong move down. I mean, the market could just be double topping here. Jeez, the weekly. Weekly had a second entry long, failed second entry long, and that failed, and that failed. This just, it just looks like, it just feels like it's going to be a big old train race. This is the weekly chart, by the way. We might be coming back to the bottom of this channel that has been here since 2023. The beginning of 2023. So it's been about 2 years since we've been in this channel, pandas. 2 solid years. And we're hitting the bottom. We're coming to the bottom of it. Pandas, what kind of day do I think it might be today? I personally think it's going to be a trading range day. But I want to ask you guys. Crimson Demon, good morning. Jamil, good morning. GF. GF. Is that GF or GF? Is that pronounced G or G? GF. Is that like your initials or something? George Frank. 2 first names. Classic. Pandas! Top left of your screen. You can see we're at 1,386. I had to trade a little bit more. I took one more trade off stream. The weird thing is, it's not really showing. It is not showing, but I took this short here. I don't know why it's not showing. I truly don't understand why it's not showing. All my other trades are showing. I came out break even here in this last trade of the stream. And for some reason, after that, it does not mark. I took this short here. For some reason, it's not marking the trade I took. But I made max yesterday on these accounts, and hopefully we'll make max again. But to be honest, I really think today might be trading range day. But the daily chart says otherwise. Daily chart usually follow through strong bear bar near and slow. I mean, you're thinking some follow through. But maybe on the 5-minute chart, I may trade the 5-minute chart. We end on this. We end on the low, basically, in the 5-minute chart. If we break this low, I probably will look for a scalp. Yeesh. Probably look for a scalp, but we'll see. Initials GF. Gray intersection. I'm not gonna lie, I first read it as gay intersection. Just because. I don't know, that's what my mind went straight to. Just because that's what I feel like, you know, the type of names that I see on YouTube chat are typically names like that. Market opening in about like 2 minutes here. Breaking the low again here. I mean, boy, oh boy, are we going to just have another strong downtrend day? That would be insane. Like crazy insane. Could just have a channel like this. To be honest, most likely big old trading ranges. Feels like something like this. Typically, I use the extreme, but it seems like there's more points touching like this. Something like that. Not sure. Oh, feels like entry long here could be tempting for a big trade. But knowing by looking at this, seeing how trading range it looks, it's tough. It's tough to say. I mean, if I were to create a trading range here, probably something along these lines here. Probably something like this. Market opening in 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, I realized my clock still is not working. I got to fix that. Market just opened. Notice in the 5-minute chart, we actually gap underneath the previous day's low and close. Aha. Sitting on my pause. Wanted to see a little more price action here. Feels like I just short maybe to go long actually. Feels like I just short to go long actually. It's like I just short triggers. Looking to go long back up into this trading range. Oh, wow. The trap on the 2500 tick chart triggers an outside bar reversal. No, thank you. Could be a huge push down. It really could be a big, big push down here. Interesting. Yep. Big old push down. Hard to go short right in the bottom of the trading range, in my opinion. But that trap here, what I was talking about earlier, could be a big push down. Like a really big push down. Sitting on my pause. I mean, I'm in no rush here. I'm really in no rush. It's not like my face is on Mount Rushmore or anything. Does my face look like it's on Mount Rushmore? I'm in no rush here. Overnight lows. Testing it right now. And breaking through it. What a push! What a push! What a push! Huge bear bars on the 2500 tick chart. I'm just sitting on my pause. I mean, if it's a downtrend, I'll try to go short, but I need something to be established first. Nothing's established yet. Huge bear bar ending near its low, but look how it is retraced with a strong bull bar, at least currently. Is this a downtrend day, or are the chances this is just a strong downtrend day again, again and again and again? First entry, okay. All right, 2500 tick chart, strong bear bar ending near its low. Strong bull bar, no follow through. But then strong bear bar. Limit order market for the bears. Wow, what a push. What an insane push. I guess that's what I was waiting for. Now I'm like, I want to go short somewhere. I guess that's what I was waiting for. But, I mean, this is like, has a limit order market written all over it, right? The moment this closes, it gets bought up. The moment this closes, it gets sold. The moment this basically closes, it gets bought up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Second entry short forming here. Do I want it? It's far away from 20 MA, but it's off our trend line. Bounces off immediately. I don't know if I want it anymore. Right? Like the moment it triggers, it kind of reverses, and that's like the last thing you want. It does make a scalp. It comes off our trend line, second entry short. Jeez. Reverses though, like right after. No runners. So I'm okay skipping that, but let's see. Just enough for a scalp. Just enough for a scalp.
2500 tick trap.
Okay. Very confused what's happening, but it looks like a strong downtrend currently. The 2500 tick chart is starting to get overlapping bars. Many overlapping bars here. So again, sitting on my pause, I'm just like, just kind of waiting for things to be absolute clear for me. So another second entry short maybe forming here. Right. A, B, C, second entry short. Doesn't quite trigger that second pullback though. So that's only a first entry. Makes this even more confusing. Spiking channel maybe here. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Like super strong bear bar ending on its low 5-minute. Like bear bar ending on its low 5-minute chart. You're thinking it'd be some sort of follow through, but since this is the first bar of the day, you don't really know what the market cycle is. So, hey, this could reverse all the way back up. That's what it looks like it's doing at least. What a push up. Imagine selling that bar. Like if I told you, would we break this low or this high first? Most of you guys would say we'll probably break this low before we break this high. And a lot of people bet on that. And a lot of them are getting their faces ripped off. What can I say? Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Also drop a GM in the chat. Let me know you guys are alive. Pulse check. Just like the email Elon Musk wants everyone to send in the government. How do I feel about the Trump administration doing mass firings in the government? How do I feel about that? I mean, it is taxpayer money, so technically it's, that money should be spent well. But then you're also dealing with like people's lives, and honestly, a lot of people working in the government, I don't know. I'm not sure. I could go long here, but it's far away from 20 MA. I could find a better setup. I'll sit on my pause. Too far away from 20 MA. Spike channel though, currently. I mean, this could blast off. It's all good. Baby, baby. Look at the 5-minute chart. Would you imagine that would have happened? You're thinking certainly you're going to fill this gap here. Like, certainly. Wow, I'm banking on this gap fill. Okay. Okay. It was weird. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, pandas. Sorry you had to go through that. Gap is technically not filled yet. I guess, was a bit wild. What can I say? Second entry long, I'm looking for it. First entries maybe only. Second entry long, give it to me. Come to Papa. Second entry long, come to Papa. I need the second entry long. Baby, baby, here we go. Whoa, what the freak? What in the freaking world? What in the world? Fill the gap. Come to Papa. Baby, baby. I really like this setup. If it doesn't work, it's all good. I really like it. Coming up for trend line, 20 EMA, higher or low. Second entry long, gap fill right above. I love it. I mean, I really like this setup. I don't even care if it loses this trade because I like this setup so much. It's all good if I lose it because it's such a, to me, it's just like, you got to try here. You got to try here. Looks like I'm going to get hit. I mean, I don't even mind losing that trade because that setup, it's like everything about it. I mean, I gotta try it again. I gotta try it again. I gotta try the same setup again. Jeez. All right. Wow. All right. Well, that makes me 1 in 3. Down 960. Such a big loss. I mean, I thought we were gonna fill that gap. Super strong bull bar. All right, one more time. Man, there's one more time. Goodness gracious. Second entry long, 2500 tick chart.
$2,500 tick trap.
I gotta try here. Don't I have to try at least here? I feel like I have to try. All right. Come right back down. 5 minutes. Just bear bar, bull bar, bear bar. I mean, you gotta know when you're wrong. You gotta know when you're wrong. I'm 1 in 3. Oh, now it pops up. Now you want to go up, huh? I don't know. I still think I'm going to try it here. All right. I mean, what in the world? Oh, fails against you long here. Shooting for the stars. Shooting for the stars, pandas. The 5-minute gap misses by like a point. What in the world nasty is this? What in the nasty is this nonsense? All right, let's dance. Let's dance.
Target filled.
Okay.
Target filled.
I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. I wish I got a little bit more. Gap still not filled on the 5-minute chart, actually. That blasted to the upside. Higher low. I'll try again. Higher low. Let's fill that gap. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Target filled.
I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it, Benz. I'll take it. Gap filled finally on the 5-minute. Higher. Ooh, fails like entry short. Oh, interesting. I wasn't ready for that. Fails like entry short. It does blast off. Yikes. It does blast off. I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't thinking about that. Wasn't thinking that was going to happen. It's happening, though. Surely is. What am I right now? I won here. I won here. So, sorry. 1 second. I lost this trade. That was 1. 1, 2, 3. 3. So I'm 5 and 3 right now. 5 and 3 because I took double positions on both of those trades. Double here, double here. It's just my scalp is so small. The ATR right now is 18 on the 500 tick chart. So even though it looks like I'm barely making money, that's 10 points right there, pandas. That's actually a lot. It's actually very volatile right now, the market. I kind of like it. Kind of like at the 5-minute chart. Insane bear bar closing on its low. This could be a reversal. This could be a reversal. Opening reversal. Hooey! This is wild. Second entry long? Maybe fail second entry long here. I might be more enticed. I feel like I'm close to the top of the trading range. Like trading range, I might as well extend it to the bottom here because it pretty much tested the bottom here now. It's like a big trading range. Big old trading ranges. Second entry long, I'm not interested here. I'm more interested in a failed second entry long, to be honest. Still don't trigger the setup. Interesting. This is sus, but I'll try. Quite sus. Ooh, actually does trigger the trap. I'm glad I didn't take that trap. Wow. I'm glad I didn't take that trap because if I did, I would have lost that trade already. Interesting. I didn't get in the trap because I was placed under this candle. Actually, it's crazy how it doesn't trigger. This is wild right now. We got like 7 overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to wait till this resolves. It's too choppy, too sideways. Way too choppy here. Way too insanely choppy. Let's try to break out one way or the other. Jeez. What was that? 9 overlapping bars in a row? Pretty much on the previous day's low. Bouncing around here forever. Pandas, hope you guys are doing well. Great Anderson says, the DMV area seems pretty rich. I hope people don't have to end their champagne lunches in Chevy Chase or McLean. Oh no. That would be so sad. Kevin Mack, is there a 6-7 minute delay on this video? No, it's about 3-second delay. If you want to see as close as real time as possible, make sure the live button is red. And also watch in 2x speed until it catches up. That's how you get to the absolute closest you can to live. In any stream. Another second entry long forming here, but to be honest, I'd rather take the fail second entry long here at this point. I mean, we still have room to the top of the trading range. I don't know. This one's tough. This is too many overlapping bars. It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy how many overlapping bars there are. I mean, technically, trading range 20 EMA. I think it's gonna go without me. I think I already made the scalp. Jeez, never mind. Little too hesitant. Little too hesitant there. But good to know. Good to know that the market is abiding by some sort of rules here. Some rhyme or reason at least. Down 160 today. What in the world? Crazy day. I mean, this market is volatile. Every single swing is like 20 points at least. Every single swing is kind of crazy. I should just be trading micros today, to be honest. The volatility is so crazy. I should be trading micros. High or low here? Do I like it? I mean, we're wedging here, right? The top, the wedge in the bottom here, basically bouncing off this trend line. Double top here at the previous day's close. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Maybe worth taking. OI pattern 5-minute chart. Okay. Just watching. Second entry long coming off our trend line. That's a bar reversal. Very interesting. I could try here, but only because there is a inside bar waiting on the other side of this 5-minute chart. Silly trade maybe. Yeah, silly trade. Risk is huge today, pandas. I'm only trading one contract. It's too crazy to trade 2 contracts right now. Yikes. All right. It's fair. It's fair. I took a risk there for sure. What am I? 5 and 4. I definitely took a risk there. Inside bar breaking to the upside. Okay. I can see that. OI pattern. Right. OI pattern 5-minute chart. OI. Okay. Is it going to be an OII pattern? Because that's crazy. I don't think so. Multiple closes beneath. Wow. All right. I'll try here. So OI pattern. About to break one side or the other. And look at, we have a tough time closing above the previous day's close, which I feel like this makes it bearish. Right, if this is a trading range, then we have room to come down back to the bottom of the trading range created by this bar. Let's see, pandas. We shall see. Almost triggered the breakout here. Almost. Didn't quite. We're waiting for the breakout actually to trigger. OI pattern. About to create an OII pattern. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Underdog traders is go micros. Absolutely brilliant idea, actually, but content. Interesting. 18 seconds left on this bar. Six seconds left on this bar. It's an OII pattern. I'm going for it, pandas. I have no idea what's going to happen here. It's an OII pattern, though.
Target filled.
All right. Gets filled immediately. OII pattern. Oh, it's a fail second entry long on the 500 tick chart. Even better. All right. I'll tell you what, though. The moves are so strong. I love it. But you're getting a lot of price action that looks like this nonsense. Like, these trading ranges are brutal. Brutal, I tell you. They're very brutal. Like, people are losing their accounts just because of these super choppy trading ranges. The 5 minute was simple. It was just an OII pattern. Outside, inside, inside. It means triangle on a smaller time frame. It means breakout mode. So the moment we break either side of the inside bar, that's the way we go. And that's exactly what we did. We went short when we broke. I would have gone long if we broke the upside. Right? If we're at the top side, we would have gone long. But we were at the downside, the bottom side of it. So I went short. Simple as that, pandas. Pandas! I mean, I'm trading like... My record's higher, but my losses have been bad. I'm 7-4, but I'm negative $210. It's pretty bad. And typically, you'll find a measure move of some sort. Like, you want to come down here. You want to make at least a 1-to-1. So I get you short here. If it comes off our trend line and 20 MA... Jeez. It doesn't quite touch a 20 MA, and the signal bar is huge, right? That's a huge risk. Just sit on my pause here. Let's wait for a better setup. And this is your risk, and it's a bad signal bar. But I like the idea, right? We're coming off our trend line and 20 MA, so this could work out nicely. I just want a better bar. And the risk is huge. Yeah. I mean, this could work. It does trigger the second to short, but we'll see what happens. Just waiting. It looks juicy. It looks like it could be a juicy one. But it's just too far away from 20 EMA at this point. Too much risk. Signal bar is not the best. I think there are better setups that await us. And we'll wait for them patiently. Okay, coming back up. Touching our trend line again. Popping up. Okay. Jeez. All right. Big pop up. Decent pop up. That was very hard to predict that was going to bounce this high. Oh, I was not ready for that. I was not ready for a move this strong back up. I mean, if this reverses up, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not trying to go long here. Terrible signal bar, far away from 20 MA. Lots of overlapping bars. In fact, it's almost better if I just stop trading today, to be honest. It's crazy. The price action is kind of crazy. Like, I honestly should just step away. I'm down 210, cut my losses, and just wait for Monday. Because this is wild. This price action is actually kind of crazy. So many overlapping bars. The bars are huge as well. I don't know. I don't mind the big bars and the volatility. I just don't like the price action. I just don't like how much overlap there has been so many times in a row. So much overlap here, here, even here, now here. It's tough. It's tough to trade that, and it's confusing. Say I took this trap, I would have lost that trade, and then it actually goes up the way you want it to go. That's just the kind of day it's going to be. Very, very disgusting. Yeah, see, this market's disgusting. Yeah. You know what I mean? Jeez. Those who took this 5-minute, right, they actually lost their trade. Because they were looking for 1-to-1, but it didn't reach the 1-to-1, and it reversed, and now they got stopped out. Second entry long off this trend line, maybe an okay trade. Maybe. We don't get a second entry long, just first entries along the whole way. And it's so choppy, it's not something I'm like banking on. Trap trade here again. Again, far away from 20 MA. It's not something I'm banking on. It does pop up though. It does pop up, but it's not something, it's not reliable in any way. I'm not gonna, let's say you only got one shot, one opportunity to seize everything. Would you take it? To seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Would you capture it? or just let it slip. Second entry long, off our trend line. Only, right? It's only off our trend line. You want 2 key areas if you can. This is 1 key area. Ooh, okay. Okay, coming off the 20 EMA. Ripping through the 20 EMA. Terrible signal bar, can't go long. Can we go short though? I don't know. It's such a who's going short there? Who's doing this? Who's actually trying to just flush right here? Who's taking these trades? I need to learn from them. Who's ever taking that trade to go short like this? I need to learn from them. What in the world? To me, it's very unpredictable. I'm sure there's people out there who that's their setup. Like they were waiting for this and that's their setup. I'm sure there are people out there. I wouldn't be surprised. Second, just short forming 5-minute chart. Has not yet quite touched the 20 EMA yet all day. Not that it has been a long day yet, but hasn't touched it yet. I mentioned that because usually we test the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. It's just sideways. It's just a big trading range. Expect trading range price action. Just expect this to be choppy, very unpredictable, and huge risk, right? Every trade's almost huge. If you look at the ATR right now, 14 ATR, it's at 16.92, basically 17. We're talking about 17 points per candle on the 500 tick chart. 500 tick chart, pandas. The ones who sell, there are Michael Chin, Elon Musk, and Mac. That's it. Those are only people who knew exactly to sell right there. They just made a killing. I mean, what am I trying to do here? Am I trying to go short? Am I trying to go long? If you can't answer that question, you might as well not take the trade. Take any trades. Am I trying to go short? Or am I trying to go long, pandas? I cannot answer that question. Are we in a bull trend or bear trend? I cannot answer that question. So, therefore, I'm out. And for those reasons, I'm out. Who is that, pandas? Who is that? Who is that?
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Okay. Look at the 2500 tick chart. We broke the top, and then we broke the bottom, and then we broke the top again in one single bar. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Pandas, what's going on? This price action is crazy. Wow, I don't pandas. You tell me. You tell me.
2,500 tick trap.
Jeez, I don't know. It looks like it's going long. No clue. The bull and bear legs are very strong, and so right in a trading range, bull legs and bear legs are very strong. So it could trick you thinking it's going to be like a, you know, like a strong trend. 5 minute. Second entry short forming. But look at me overlap. It's basically all overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. 6 of them, I tell you. 6 of them. The 5 minute's interesting because we haven't had to close above the previous day's close yet. Right? No candle has closed above the previous day's close. It's kind of crazy, right? Like all these candles, none of them closed above this dashed line. This pink dashed line. This might be the first one. Might be the first candle that will do it. It is discussing PA. Thoughts and prayers to anyone trading this actively right now. I'm just sitting on my pause. I'm just watching. I'm watching. The market is slowing down, though. ATR is slowly going down. Slowly. Very slowly. I don't know. I'm guessing we're going to test a 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, but no guarantees here. No guarantees. It just feels like it will. There's no guarantees, though. Not on a market like today. Like, this can reverse on a dime. This can reverse literally, like, instantly right here. It's exactly what it did here. It can happen here. OI pattern, 5-minute chart, right? Again, OI pattern. Outside, inside bar. If we break to the upside, we might test the 20 EMA. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking, at least. We test the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Top of the trading range as well. Right, the 5-minute. We broke the top of it. Now are we going to hit the 20 EMA? You're thinking you will, though. You're very much thinking you will here. But I'm just sitting on my pause. I don't need to know. Loco says we need more trend lines. I mean, is this not enough? Are you not entertained? Testing the 20 EMA, 5-minute chart. Just kind of like the most likely thing that will happen, I guess. Ooh, we got very close to touching it. Very close, and we touched it. So we do test the 20 EMA. So I mean, I guess at the end I was right, but still very nasty price action. This is interesting here. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits here. Come to the bottom, back to the top. Very interesting. Now we're bouncing off of it. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart. How insane is this? Second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Basically top of the trading range and also top of this channel. Fail second entry long. I would love it here. That's like S tier to me. Fail second entry long. Basically, it's a B, C pattern, and it triggers the second entry long, but then fails, reverses. That's what I want to see. Can we get it, though? It's very unlikely you'll get like the perfect setup that you want. The market rarely gives you like, very good setups. Okay, I mean, it's forming here. Here's a second entry long forming. S tier for me. S tier setup. This is absolute cinema. If this triggers, this is like an S tier for me. For sure, S tier for me.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. It doesn't actually trigger the way I want. It breaks above this pivot high. This could still push down very strong, but doesn't trigger how I want it to trigger. That's actually not what I wanted. And thank goodness I didn't take it. The trap fails. Probably making a new high now. Probably making a new high now. Probably. Volatility has been squeezed out of the market. Now we're at 15 ATR. We were at 17 ATR not too long ago, earlier in the stream. Made a new high. Could be a double top. 5 minute, basically just same bar. Nothing's happened really. Okay. Pushing up. I still think we're in the trading range and also testing the top of the channel. Like again, if we get a fail second entry long here, I'll still take it. I still think it's an S tier setup. That almost was an S tier setup. Almost. Very close to being so. Okay, are we just in a super strong uptrend? Possibly. Take it as we see it. I mean, this could be the world's biggest, like, inverse head and shoulders. Could be. Interesting. I don't know. I don't know what to do here, pandas. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. Doesn't mean much. Does it mean much? Who knows? I know it just makes it difficult to take the second entry short now. Again, fail second entry long, I'll take it. We need more trend lines. Well, you got it, Loco. More trend lines. Way more trend lines. Hard to go long here. Top of a trading range. It is what it is. Second entry short about to form on the 5-minute chart. Like I said, doesn't mean much that this 5-minute candle is just a strong bull candle. Doesn't mean much. I don't know. On a day like today, I don't know. It's questionable. It's a hidden trap here, maybe. Okay, I'll take that. Second entry long. Fail second entry long. I'm still looking for it. Still looking for that fail second entry long. We absolutely are not getting it. Okay. It's risky, but I'll try here. It's a little far away from 20 MA, making this like a C tier trade. If it was closer, like if it was here, then it'd be like S tier, but this is like C tier now, so far away from 20 MA. I like it a lot though because it might trigger with the second to short on the 5-minute chart. So it could be like this like chain reaction, you know what I mean? I actually like it like this, coming back up. I actually like that more. I prefer that. I prefer this, pandas. I actually don't mind that at all. Okay. At a certain point in time, you gotta realize you're way off on the price action, reading the price action. 2500 tick chart bouncing right off the 20 EMA, making this look quite bullish, but I still think we're in the trading range. 2500 tick chart looks a little cleaner right now as many trend lines. Maybe simplify it, just look something like this on the 2500 tick chart. Second entry short maybe on the 5-minute chart if you're interested. This could be a good trade. This could be a good trade, pandas. It could be. It's really up to you though. The problem is the 2500 tick chart still clearly above the 20 MA. Making it look a little more bullish than you would want it to be. If you're trying to go short. Pandas! Hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you scalp that like button. Also drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Welcome to my channel. I'm Bye Money. We trade the Nascraq here every single day. As you can tell, we are just absolutely bamboozled by today's market. Very, very confusing, very crazy, very volatile, but very unpredictable. Pandas! Hope you're making some bamboo today. Make sure you use code BBM for 80% off Apex, 50% off TPT. I am making the video soon on withdrawing from TFT. Take profit or TPT, take profit trader. If you guys don't know, take profit trader, you can withdraw within 1 day on your funded accounts. The only thing is it takes 5 days to pass your evals and it's a little more expensive, but you can withdraw within 1 single day on your funded accounts with take profit trader. Pablo, welcome. Feels like entry long. I'll take it here. I'll absolutely take it here, and I think it would be delicious. But no fail second entry long given to us today. No second entry long. No fail second entry long for you. That's what the market's saying. Whoa! Second entry short triggers with a nice looking signal bar on the 5-minute chart. Sure, why not? Sure, why not? I don't love it. I absolutely don't love it, but sure, why not? I can't. I guess simply cannot. It's such a bad trade. It's such a bad trade. I don't know. It does trigger. Feels like entry long, but far away from 20 MA. I just wish it was closer to 20 MA. What can I say? I want an S tier setup, pandas. I'm not trying to settle here. I want an S tier setup and give it to me. Come to Papa. Give me the S tier setup. Okay, I'm glad I didn't take this trade. Gotta be sweating right now. And you're still in the trade though. You technically didn't lose the trade yet. Now you lost it. Now you absolutely lost that trade. Failed trap here. I gotta try here, coming off a trend line and 20 MA. Terrible looking signal bar currently. Terrible looking signal bar. Can it turn to a better signal bar? I don't think it will. That's a bad looking signal bar, pan. That's a bad mama. Second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. Cannot take it because we're at top of a trading range. Oh, but can we take the trap on the 2500 tick chart is the question. Oh, nah. The risk is huge. Sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause here. Still near the top of a trading range. It's so hard to take this. Ooh, trap on the 5-minute chart actually. Could be juicy. Could be juicy. But you're asking for a lot here. You're asking to clearly break out of this trading range that we've been in for a while. The 5-minute trap. Just right off the bat. Big bear bar and just reverses. And just since then, we've just kind of been on the slow grind up maybe. It's tough. It's tough, Pandas. I don't know. Nothing's clear for me. Still at top of a trading range. This in me, there's too many conflicting things, right? We're at top of a trading range, can't go long, but we also see a trap set up to maybe reverse the market. That's just too many conflicting things. So I'm gonna send them a pause. I don't have much here.
5-minute trap.
5-minute trap. One second, Pandas. All right, I guess that answers that question. Maybe we're just breaking out of this trading range now. Huge trading range we've been in for a while. We could be breaking out. 5-minute, right? Outside bar reversal trap does trigger. Kudos to anyone taking that. I mean, I just can't. I just can't. It's like, let's say you take this trade and you lose it. Like, what? Like, you just know. Wait, Pandas, let me read some of this chats here. Grace intersection. How long does it take for Take Profit to set up your funded account? It takes like 1 day. It takes 1 day. Actually, that's kind of annoying. It does take like a little longer. Pablo says, after 3 years and 9 months, I managed to reach Payout City. Pablo Escobar. Congratulations. Hey, everyone check. Give a nice congrats to Pablo. Anise says, after 15 years, I finally got a payout. 15 years? I don't know if the profits have been around that long. Pablo, that's for you, baby. Congratulations. That's great to hear. 3 years and 9 months. Payout City. Here we come. You know what? And to many more, right? And to many more. It's just the first of many. The first of many. Look at this ridiculous move up. Something that I would not be able to capture. But like I was saying, like, let's say you lose this trade going long, like, you have no one to blame but yourself. You're just saying, why did I go long there? I knew it was in trading range. I knew we're at the top of it. What am I doing? But now that we're breaking out of it, maybe we can capture a long trade here with a breakout retest of some sort. Paul, I'm going to record your voice screaming now and put it ringtone myself. People are gonna think you're crazy. Okay, coming back to the 20 MA. Maybe I'm looking for a long here that we're breaking out, but not even that. I don't even love that. Do you love that? I don't even know if I love that. F Zen in the house. Tate in the house. RGE in the house. Welcome, guys. Kevin Mack. Welcome, everybody. We're just watching the markets just kind of drift away without us. That's just the name of the game today. Didn't feel confident in anything here, really. I was looking for a reversal at the top of the trading range. That's what I was looking for most of the day. That's what I was really looking for. Reversal at the top of the trading range, but we never got it. Instead, we break out, and now we're kind of like in this messy situation. RGE Pikachu. Gotta love the Pikachu. Second entry long here for me. Do I love it? Not really. It's actually quite ugly. Look at how many overlapping bars we have. This is not like the price action you want when it comes to second entry longs. We don't even get the second entry longs, doesn't matter. Strong bull bar. Ending near tie. We're getting some follow through on that. A little bit of follow through. Like, look at the manner this is going up. So many overlapping bars. I don't know. Maybe just buy off the 20 MA. It's a limit order market going to the upside. I don't know. I don't love any trade here. I really don't. I actually don't. Like, look at strong bull bar ending on its high in the 5 minute. No fall. There's reverses. It's still a limit order market. Pablo, how big is the payout? How big's the payout? Let us know. Is it minimum 500? It doesn't matter. Actually, it doesn't matter how big it is. Most of you guys say trading range day, and most of you guys were pretty much right all day. Balancing off the 20 minute. Doesn't even touch the 20 minute. So I probably wouldn't even got filled if I even tried to go long here. Pause bar on the 5 minute chart, maybe. We're trying to see if this turns always in long. Just buy anywhere, everywhere? Is that what I'm supposed to be doing? I guess so. I think it's clear that we've broken out of the trading range. Quite clear on that, right? Your trading range is quite clear. Second entry long, coming off the 20 MA. Good looking signal bar. I mean, that trap, that would have been an S tier type trade for me, but going long right into the top of that trading range, I mean, sure you can. Just need a really good risk reward if you're gonna do that. Right? You're basically banking on the low probability breakout trade. Second entry long. If we could even get it. All first entries along the way here. I don't know. I mean, spike and channel currently. I guess I gotta try. I gotta try this trade? No? Is that like... Is that not like what I have to do? Isn't that illegal if I skip this trade? Second entry long beneath the 20... Like, beneath the trend line now. Good looking signal bar though. Very good looking signal bar. Actually a good looking second entry long, like aesthetically. But it needs to come off our trend line as well. It's failing to do so. I almost want to take the trap. I'll try again. I don't know. We'll see. Probably will fail though. This trap probably not going anywhere. I mean, it looks like we're in an uptrend. It looks like we're just in an uptrend that's about to blast off. Let's try to make some bamboo here if we can. One to one was made. Do I really want to lose this trade? Come up, break even. Could have made a 1-to-1. I wanted more because it was a reversal setup, but I guess I gotta look at the context. It's a strong uptrend, I guess. Jeez. Okay. What a push. Was not expecting that. What a push. Wasn't expecting that. It is reversing now. Unfortunately, it had to do with such a deep pullback. I wasn't willing to hold that risk. But if I just held my original risk here, I actually would have been okay. It is what it is. I mean, it's no big deal. It's no big deal, pandas. Everyone calm down. It's no big deal. It's all good. First entry. Spike channel. Testing the bottom of the channel. Might turn to a trading range. We'll see. Wow. What a push down. It was a reversal. It ended up being a decent trade if I could have held it, but obviously I didn't hold it, so. No point of talking about it, yeah? No point of talking about it, yeah? Big push down. Fail second entry long, maybe on 2500 tick chart. 2500 tick chart might be a fail second entry long. Right. A, B, C. Triggers the second entry long. That fails, reverses. I mean, could trigger that. I mean, that is a nice setup if we can get it. I'll tell you what. If that happens here, I might try. Might try that as basically maybe the last trade of the stream. If we get it. If we can, oh, second entry short here. Problem is undershoot leading to an overshoot most likely. Second entry short. Cinema pause. I'll wait for my setup. Especially with this undershoot, you're waiting for the overshoot. At least a test of the 20 EMA. Trap trade. What can I say? Okay. Second just short here. Undershoots and overshoot. I don't know. I do not know what to do. I do not want to take the outside bar reversal. Oh boy.
2,500 tick trap.
2,500 tick trap, but I do not want to take outside bar reversal. I do not want to take it. I really don't. Ooh, okay. Maybe lower high here. Alright, I'm game. Let's try. Let's dance, shall we? It's quite a large risk. Quite a large risk here. Quite large. Trap triggers on the 2,500 tick chart. Seems S tier to me. Seems S tier to me if this triggers. This trap triggers. Trap doesn't trigger. Now we're in big pain. Trap's going to fail on the 2,500 tick chart, looks like. It's all good. I thought it was worth it. Well worth it. I considered the risk, and I thought it was well worth it. Considered the risk and thought it was well worth it. We're still in this trade, though. Still rocking and rolling, pandas. Oh boy. Could move down still. So you're saying there's still a chance. Chances are like 1 in a million. So you're saying there's still a chance, pandas. So you're saying there's still a chance. Where's that from? You have to know where that's from. If you don't know where that's from, find out where it's from, because you're missing out. Big time. Oh boy. It's the big kahuna. Okay, he didn't do much. I thought I'd do a lot more than that. Hold! Hold, pandas, hold! Hold! Looking for a 1-to-1 on this trade. I mean, if this reverses and rips my face off, it is what it is, pandas. That's just the name of the game, you know what I mean? It's the name of the game. And it's a game that I choose freely to participate in to get my face ripped off every single day. That's the risk here. Getting your face ripped off every single day. Yeesh. Maybe I should have considered this trend line on the 2500 tick chart, knowing it was right there, and I should have not traded against it. Maybe I should consider that. Come up, break even, take the opposite now, if it does work out. Hold. Lower high off the 20 EMA. Hold. Surely we lose if we break this high, right? There's no chance this trade works out if we break this high. Pretty certain about that. Hold, pandas! Hold! Hold! Oh my goodness, what in the world's happening? I'm coming out break even because I'm a little wussy. Because I'm the biggest wussy in the world. I'm coming out break even. Like, can you imagine a bigger wussy there is in the world? I just can't handle the pain. I can't handle the uncertainty right there. Knowing the 2500 tick chart has this like trend line that just seems like rock solid right now. I just cannot hold onto that trade. I'm sorry. I'm trading the opposite. We're shooting for the stars, pandas. Shooting for the stars. Basically reversing my trade here. Let's see if we got anything. Last trade of the stream. Is it even worth taking any trades today? After all that nonsense. Is it even worth it? Oh boy. Big pain. Big pain ensuing. I'll take the hit, move on. And we'll try again next week. Hold, pandas, hold. 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 Pandas. No, what's happening? What is that? No, what kind of bar is that? That's a reversal candle, double top here situation. That is not looking good for us, pandas. Hold! 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 Oh, I can't hold it anymore. I can't. The double top here. I can't take the pain. I can't take the uncertainty. No, it's going to work out now. I just can't trade on a day like today. I can't do it. It works out beautifully. I just cannot trade on days like, look at how many overlapping bars they have been. Like, look at how many overlap. Can you blame me? Oh my goodness, my mental capital is shot. I'm done. Oh boy. My mental capital is shot. Like, I could not hold through all of this nonsense. I got scared here thinking double top of some sort. Pandas, I let go of a winner. And I basically skunked my last like 5,000 trades. Ah, panda. Wow. What a toughie. This is not a fun day to trade. I'll tell you that much. This is rough. This is very rough. Very rough day for me. It's not like I'm losing that much money. I'm glad I'm only down 160 today. It's a miracle I'm only down 160. That's actually the miracle. That's actually a dub here. I actually have a dub here because I'm walking away with it virtually unscathed. Virtually unscathed on a crazy day like today. Virtually unscathed. Wow, what a push. A push to the downside. What a push to the downside. Completely confusing here. I mean, look at this. Just look at how many overlapping bars there are right now. Could not handle the risk, Pan. Could not handle this choppiness. I just got so scared. I thought for certain I was going to lose that trade. And so I just said, okay, I'll just move on. Next trade. Better, right, to live tomorrow. To fight another day. Better to fight another day. It's just, the price action is just not tradable in my opinion. It happened here. I had a nice trade here. Could have swung it, but I basically looked for the scalp and looked for my runners, but obviously it didn't work out as I planned. Lower high here. Oh, this trend line again. Again and again and again. Pandas, this is absolutely just, what can I say? Tilted. Toadman already knew I made a mistake. I'm sorry I let you down. These panda paws are too weak. I'm sorry, I got paper paws. Well, that being said, pandas, I just feel like there's like not much to do here, to be honest. This trading range again. Crazy price action. It's absolutely bonkers. Just criminal. It's just absolutely criminal, this price action. What am I witnessing here? This has to be illegal. I'm just trying to find like one good, simple trade today, and I just can't find it. Just go short here. Should I just go short here, Pandas? Top of the small trading range, back to the bottom of it. That's almost like the best trade like of the day. Feels like I'm just short here, but how do you know? How do you know? You don't know. You just never know. Feels like I just short, but I don't like it. I almost want to go short at the feels like I just short here. I almost want to go short here, Pandas. Is that crazy to say? I almost just want to go short here. 2,500 take chart. Coming off our trend line again at the higher low. I almost want to go short here. You know what? On a reversal down, I'm going short. Don't even care. I mean, that's a pretty strong bull bar, though. How foolish would it be to try to reverse it here? How foolish would it be? Jeez. Why am I even trading right now? Why am I still here? Why am I still here, Pandas? I should be ending the stream. I think this is so frustrating. I can't find even one single trade. I'm trying to find S tier trade, but look at this price action. It's just... It's absolute criminal. Absolutely illegal. Should call the cops. What is this price action? Very, very tough for me. Okay. High or low? Uh, 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 uh. I don't know. Need a new high? Jeez. I'm telling you, this is gonna make me snap. I feel like I'm turning into the Joker. I feel like I'm gonna turn into an evil villain. This is where my villain arc starts. This price action is absolutely just mind bending, mind destroying. That's how the Joker became to become the Joker. That's his origin story. Just traded futures, stared at the markets, just lost his mind. At the end though, pandas, like I'm down 160. I actually won. My win percentage is higher than my loss percentage. The main reason why I couldn't really capitalize on my wins was because it scalped out so fast. I couldn't actually move my take profit. It would like immediately hit my take profit. I couldn't even move it. So I just said, you know what? I just take. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take those. Give me the money that fast. All right, I'm gonna wait till 11 o'clock, and if we don't have anything by then, I am kaputs. It's done. Finito. First entries only. Only first entries. Do I even want a second entry? Do I even want a second entry? It's too far away from 20 May. Huge bear bar. Okay. Could be onto something here. I don't know. I don't know. It's coming up for a trend line in 20 MA. I'll try. I don't love it. Something about it just seems sus to me. Doesn't seem right. Nothing today seems right. I mean, look at this signal bar. I can't even take this trade. Look at this signal bar. It's basically retraces an entire bear bar here. It's not even a signal bar. It's just like a small trading range on a smaller time frame. It basically just create a small trading range. I can't even go long here because of that. This is ridiculous. Second entry long does trigger. I'm just not taking it. It's just a terrible trade. Such a terrible setup. Huge bull, like a huge risk here. Basically creates like a small trading range here. It's more overlapping more than like a good setup. It just feels more overlapping. And the risk is too large. If I take that risk, it's too large. If it works out, it works out. It's great, but it's not a trade I like. Don't get me wrong. I want to go long. I just didn't want it to look like this. It is a second entry long, though. Pops up. Finish this move, maybe? Finish the scalp? Alright, scalp's made. It is what it is. I guess I missed it. I guess I missed the setup. I guess I should just gone long there, but it's too much risk. Risking 22 points here. This is ridiculous. So ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous. Alright, pandas. I think we're going to call it here. I just feel like I'm better off not trading the rest of today. I'm pretty much break even. I mean, you can say I'm down 160. That's fine. But at the end, I think I win here being down only 160. Just seeing how bad this price action is right now. So I think that's me trying to be a little bit more wiser. A little bit more profitable. A little bit more professional experience. This is me trying to be a better panda. Pandas. The weekend is coming up. I hope you have an amazing rest of your weekend. I hope the weather is amazing wherever you live. Hope springtime is coming for you. And yeah. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you use code BBM for 80% off Apex, 50% off TPT. I'm gonna try to roll out a video for TPT with my withdrawal process, pandas. And I'll see you guys. Hopefully I can release that video over the weekend. Pandas. With all that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
$2,500 tick trap.